Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn and I'm your host. Today we're going to be going over Target coupon math. So let's get to the board. So the example we're going to be doing today is going to be Pantene and it costs $4.99 per bottle. Now at Target, if you buy 4, you're gonna receive a $5 gift card. We have one $5 off 3 coupon and one $1 off 1 coupon. Now, first thing we're going to do is we have to add it up. $4.99 times 4. That's $19.96. Then we're going to take off our coupons. 19.96 minus 5, $6. $13.96. Now this is the amount you would pay to a cashier, amount to cashier, but because of the deal here, buy 4, receive a $5 gift card, he's going to give you a $5 gift card after you give him $13.96. If you were going to return any of those items, you would be returned the amount less the gift card you received. The amount we're going to be finding out here is the same numbers they would be using. They factor it, we factor it. So that's $8.96 for 4, but we're not done because we need to find out how much 1 is. So we have the $8.96 divided by 4, and that makes them $2.24 each. Now this is a very, very basic, simple transaction. Now I want to show you when you start adding in circle offers and other tiers like that, how it changes. So what we're going to do is get rid of this math here. And we're going to add in the next tier level that we're going to be learning, and that's going to be Target Circle. And we're going to say in this scenario, we have a 15% Target Circle. If you're unfamiliar with Target Circle, go ahead and check out my first video on Target, which explains it. It's just going to be a percentage off of applicable items. In this case, we're using 15. So first step we're going to do is we have to find out what the starting price is. So $4.99 times 4, or $19.96. This looks familiar. But the difference is when you're doing circle offers that also have a gift card offer, it makes the math really confusing and you have to take things off temporarily and put them back on, and you'll see here. So just follow along. So because there's a discount here with the gift card, we need to find out how much the items are less the gift card before we can find out what our discount is. So we got $19.96, and we're gonna subtract the $5 gift card that we're getting here. This is just temporary, okay? So we get $14.96. Now, when I coupon, I don't like to find out how much I'm saving, because if I do, I'll just have to take the amount out of the original amount and find out how much I'm spending. I just want to skip that step and find out how much I'm spending. If I'm saving 15%, then the percentage of it that I'm paying is 85%. 85% plus 15% is 100%. So what I want to do here, I got $14.96. I'm going to multiply it by 0.85, which 85%, opposite of 15%. And the amount we get is $12.72. So this here took off our circle discount. Now what we do is we have to add that gift card back in, because remember, it was just temporary. So we add that gift card back in. Now we're at $17.72. Next step is we take off our coupons. We have $17.72 minus $6 in coupons. That brings us to $11.72, and that would be our amount to cashier. And then the cashier is going to give us back a $5 gift card. So we have $11.72 minus the $5 gift card, because remember, if we tried to return any of these items, they would not expect us to give back this $5 gift card. They would just subtract the applicable portion of the gift card and give you the difference. So in this case, that's $6.72 or $1.68 each. So like I said, if you were to try and return any of these, they'd only give you $1.68 each. Now the next layer we're going to add on this is we're going to add Ibotta. We're going to say that there is a $1 Ibotta offer on each one. And what Ibotta is, if you're unfamiliar with it, is it's a third-party cashback site that gives you cash back when you buy certain items, when you upload your receipt, or if you have your store cards hooked to them. So we're going to add that in, and the layer it changes is going to be this one here. We take off the $5 gift card that we got, yes, but then we're also gonna get back $1 for each one we bought. We bought 4, so we're going to bring this down. $6.72 minus $4 would be $2.72 or 68 cents each. So that's quite a difference just by adding the next layer there, especially from where we started. We started at $2.24 each, and so far adding Target Circle and Ibotta, we're down to 68 cents. But I want to add one more layer here, and this is the Target Red Card. Now the Target Red Card, if you're unfamiliar, is there's a credit card and there's a debit card, and what it is it gives you 5% cash back, 5% off on your Target purchases when you use that card. So the spot it changes us at is going to be this bit here. So we have $11.72. And we want to multiply that by 0.95. Because like I said before right here, we want to find out how much we're spending, not how much we're saving. If we get 5% back, we're going to be spending 95%. So that's going to be $11.13. And then we proceed with the following steps here. So this is going to be our amount to cashier. And we have $11.13. And we're going to subtract a $5 gift card, which would bring it to $6.13. And then we're going to take off the Ibotta that there was. Now we're at $2.13 or 53 cents each. So as you can see with the red card, we just saved an additional 15 cents for each item. So it really does add up. And this is just an example of target math and just adding different layers to it. So make sure you tune in to the other videos and subscribe to the channel so you can understand. Target math is one of the most difficult ones to understand simply because they're constantly changing and you have to do things temporarily, and the way you check out isn't necessarily the same way you math. So tuning in to the videos and watching them and subscribing to the channel, it'll really benefit you in the long run because you'll be very, very well versed in how to do this. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have a successful couponing future, and I hope you start saving for your dreams one coupon at a time, because that's what I'm here to do. Thank you again, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.